Hello everyone. Greetings from group J076. In this exposition, we aim to familiarize you with Sankey diagrams and how are they made. We will be using Plotly, which is a Python library, and we will be using Sankeymatic, which is an online tool used to make Sankey diagrams. Let's get started.
So, a Sankey diagram consists of three parts, that is, three components: nodes, links, values. So, let's take an example of a Sankey plot to understand each of these components. Here, we get the total tax revenue of our country. We can see that the total tax collected is used in several of streams, that is, infrastructure, defense, education, and many more. Here, in infrastructure, they are further divided into several partitions, like the tax is used in roads, it is used in urban development, it is used in railways, and so on for the other partitions as well. So here, these components, that is these gray boxes, the total tax, then tax for infrastructure, tax for defense, all these, and these streams, these all represent the nodes. Links are the connection between these nodes. For example, we from the plot we can see that the total tax collected is, some part of it is used in infrastructure, some part of it is used in defense. So these relations are called links, and the values are the amount of tax that is used for a particular part. For example, let's take X amount of money is used in infrastructure. So this is the value. This is the value of this link. So that's how we read a Sankey plot.
So let's have a real life example. Here we have a data set of students and the path chosen in their career. The main problem Sankey diagram is solving in this example is to visualize how the career paths flow and what we can do to improve our policy making. Here we can see how many students take science stream, become an engineer and end up being in civil service or joining in defense. We can also figure out the number of dropouts from each section of the stream. We can also figure out how many students take banking after taking finance. By this data analysis, we can change the number of seats in each branch, and we can also modify policies for the benefits of students. By analyzing the diagram more, we can also see the success rate of startup in India. Another great example I saw online was the Sankey plot of voters. Here we can see how many voters stuck to their original party after voting and how many changed their vote party. And many more things can be analyzed by this diagram, which could be used for future purposes.
Sankey diagrams are a great way to visualize data. They can be used to visualize various kinds of complex flows and relationships. For example, in energy management, they can be used to visualize energy flows, which can be helpful in identifying inefficiencies in the system. Financial analysts also use this to represent their complex cash flows. This ability to represent such complex relationships makes this a widely used tool for data visualization and analyzing data. Thank you.